Where are you from and what's your name?
Michael from Philippines.
Okay, are you ready for your nice haircut?
Yes.
Hi guys, welcome back to Chris Joker channel, the only one and just only one channel that provide hairdressing model with more than 50 countries from all over the world. Now here on this video, I will show you the easy way to cut the asymmetrical men's undercut. First, we use clippers comb number 2, which size is 6mm to cut the left side as asymmetrical undercut, and then go to the back and right side. One is done, and then we go with clipper comb number 1 with size 6mm and blend everything from one side to back and another side. And the key of creating perfect main haircut is the blended faded to connect all the layer from the shortest to the longest, from one side to another side and to the back. Once all the blended created, the main haircut will be completely perfect. And for the top, we do a clipper over comb technique to connect one side to the top side and create the reserve of the length. Have a look, cut off the existing hair that's not needed. Go ahead on the head and to make sure that the form of the hairstyle fitted. Cut a little bit the top crown area, little bit the edges of the side, and shoot from the front how balance between both sides and how the hair folds. And for the texturizing, use the thinning shear to create the dynamic texture and softer. And for the finishing touch, make the line up with hair trimmer to make the haircut look clean, side, back and another side. And anyway guys, if you like this video, please subscribe this channel because subscribe is worth it for me and subscribe is always free. And please don't forget to share, comment and like on this video. See you next time on another video. Do you like your haircut?
Wunderbar. Good. Perfect.
1, 2, 3.